Imagine you've been asked to create automated scripts in a day for an overwhelming number of manual test cases. No need to panic when we have QualityWatcher AI tools that take manual test cases and generate industry standard test files and step definitions for you. I'm here to show you how easily it's done with the click of a button with our tool. Let's get started. First, sign in or register as a new user. Next, click on the tab that says Create UI Test Automation Code. Like the other tools, we have the easy generation call to action for a quick example. Users have the option to select which framework they want the scripts generated. We have Playwright selected in Python. We can either choose to generate an example, or we could use the test cases generated from our rapid test case tool, or copy an existing test case we have. You'll see that the tool generates a page object file and a test script file. You're free to download each and add them to your suite. Isn't that amazing? We're committed to making the testing process easier and faster. Try our free AI tools today.